I had a bridge for years and years, and I looked into getting implants, and Dr. Bobst was amazing, giving me the options of what I can do. By the time he was done explaining everything, I was like, let's get it done. The procedure did not take long. The heal time wasn't long, and just how your teeth look real and different from how when you have a bridge. It was not invasive, and the healing time was quick, and the results were amazing. Dr. Bobst is amazing, and his staff is amazing. They make you feel comfortable. Of course, I was extremely nervous coming in, looking at surgery, and the follow-up was amazing, and the staff is amazing. I can't even recommend them enough because the process was so easy.